Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel Afix Japan. Today I have several Mac Mini, very old one. So I'm gonna use these Mac Mini to be amazing things. So what you can use it before we throw it out. We're gonna do something very useful equipment and it's amazing. So I have 2014 MacBook Mac Mini, and I got 2012 also, and I have 2018. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna change it and make it very useful and make it alive again. So before overdue, let's start it. So today we're gonna have 5 amazing ways to use an old Mac Mini before you throw it away. So it's stop, throw your money, then let's try something else to make it useful for your life. So make it for second life. So before you throw it away your old Mac Mini, watch this first. Most people think an old Mac Mini is useless in 2026. This is too slow, it's outdated or too old. But honestly, this teeny little computer can still do some amazing thing. And some of these ideas can actually save you money, replace expensive device, and even become the heart of your home setup. Today, I will show you 5 awesome ways to reuse an old Mac Mini that most people never think about. And trust me, number 5 completely change how you look at old computers. Okay, let's make this computer Mac Mini 2014 as a time machine. So first, so you can see this is my Mac Mini. You can see about, right? Monterey. This processor dual core i5. Alright. This is Mac Mini. I have 16 GB RAM. Right? This Mac Mini late 2014. So how to make as a time machine? And now is my storage. You see, you got 1 terabyte. So you can make it this on a regular, not SSD, just SATA hard drive. You can change this one by using a 4 terabyte something, right? So for now is I using as example. And first make a file sharing. Okay, I'm gonna do is a file sharing and media sharing using internet, or you can use Bluetooth sometime, right? So it's just put like a Mac Mini sharing. So you can edit, you share on the Ethernet. If you use Wi-Fi, you can use but very slow. I put it like a Ethernet. So okay, you can edit whatever you want. Just put the name Mac Mini local. Okay, or you can use right after your Mac Mini reboot, and then we go to other computer from your MacBook or iMac, whatever, and we go to the setup. I mean from time machine, I can select. Okay, now I can see I have several time machine here. Okay, I have 1, 2. Okay, and stop using this one, and then from here, so I don't want to use for time machine right now. I can use my Mac Mini as the server or file sharing. So put your Mac Mini, shut down and put your Mac Mini and LAN cable. So now go to network in the corner. Then you can see put your power. My Mac Mini is already here. So this one is Mac Mini. This one is a server. So if I want share to PC, I can share. Okay. So I use this one as the file server on between Mac. So connect. So I can see here a library and I can see all the Mac Mini one, right? So keep this one and use as system user and share folder here. Okay, make something new folder test. So this work very well, right? So this is how to use Mac Mini as file sharing between your home router, and then you can use share your video, music, picture, everything. Okay, it's very lightweight for the server. So let's go number two. So let's create Linux file server. Now this one is super useful. Just install the old Mac Mini and we can use it suddenly like become a powerful home file server. So you can store your movie, photo, music, document, games file, photo backup, and access them from your PCs, from Mac, even from iPhone or Android phone. You can use your smart TV, right? Even 10 years old Mac Mini can handle this easily, and because Mac Mini use very little electricity, so they are perfect to leave running like 24 hours a day. It's tiny size, silent, low power, and still incredibly useful. So you guys might have my video, movie, okay, and everything, photo is already installed here. Everything is inside. Okay, so this how to make your home server using Mac Mini, and very good and very light, and everything is working perfectly. Number 3. So build your Plex media server, right? So this may be my favorite one, and we turn your old Mac Mini into Plex media server. Imagine you have on private Netflix, store all your movie, anime, TV show, or music in the Mac Mini, and then stream them to TVs, tablet, phone, laptop, and everywhere in your house. And all Intel Mac Mini are especially great for media streaming, and a lot of people spend hundreds of dollars to buy a NAS system when old Mac Mini can already do this job. Seriously, this tiny computer can become an entertainment monster. And you see the my setup and how to do it. Very easy. And look, all the link is below, and I have make everything. Okay, just follow the link that I have in my description. Here we go. Number 4 is as retro game console. So the most fun one is transport Mac Mini into retro game console. So install emulator and suddenly you can enjoy and play all your game you have before, like a PlayStation 2, PSP, Nintendo GameCube, Sega Dreamcast, retro arcade games, and everything. Just connect your Bluetooth controller or use your regular with the Wi-Fi or with the USB controller, you can use it. It basically become a mini gaming PC. And honestly, all game is run really well on all Mac Mini. This is probably the coolest way to keep your hardware alive instead of throwing it away. Alright, let's do it. And it's number 5. This is my best thing to learn my Linux in my home. And you can install, delete, doesn't take a lot of time and a lot of the electricity. So create a Proxmox home lab in the server, and now this thing is get crazy. You just install the Proxmox and all Mac Mini and turn it into real home lab server, and you can run virtual machine, Linux server, Docker container, home assistant, Pi-hole, and test all environments. So you can use like a AI tool and use all in one teeny device. And this is how many IT professionals learn real servers get home, and because use Mac Mini are cheap and the honestly amazing beginner home lab machine. Teeny, quiet, reliable, and still shocking capable. And before you throw away your Mac Mini, try one of these first, because in 2026 this little Mac Mini is surprisingly useful. Honestly, all tech isn't always head tech. Sometimes it just needs a new purpose. If this video helpful for you, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comment which Mac Mini setup will you try first. And maybe your old Mac Mini still has a second life, right? Don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.